you ready? Let's go!
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my curlBOX. curlBOX is a monthly hair subscription for $20 with a $5 shipping charge, and it is targeted towards people with curly hair. So for this month, it seems to be ORS, the olive oil. This one was on the outside. So this is a smooth and hold pudding with coconut oil, infused with coconut oil. So it looks like this. So the box was a lot bigger. This was on the outside because it obviously didn't fit. So then it came with this booklet. So it talks about their products and things like that. All right, let's take a look. All right. Oh, and they also came with their curlBOX pamphlet. So I thought this other one would just be enough, but they have their own. And it says Napoli Ever After, and it talks about, of course, their products and stuff that came in the box. There's that. And got all this stuff. All right, we'll start off with this. This is the olive oil edge control. I personally don't use edge control like ever, so I'll probably just keep this in the package and probably give this away. Next we have a wrap set mousse. Personally, I do like using this. I don't use any wraps or anything in my hair, but I actually like the formula for curly hair. Next we have, ooh, that was open. Next we have creamy aloe shampoo, and it's made with aloe vera. And then we have a replenishing conditioner, and this one has sweet orange oil. Okay. So we got a shampoo, conditioner, we got a mousse, we got a pudding. So let me know if you guys want to see a hair tutorial on this product. So give this video a thumbs up to let me know that that's something you want to see. And thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.